Hi everyone, welcome back to Homeheadchef. Today we'll be making a shepherd's breakfast. What is a shepherd's breakfast? It's a one-pan, easy breakfast skillet that we're gonna make. It's gonna consist of hash browns, bacon, onions, eggs, cheese. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we're going to need half a pound of bacon chopped, 1 white onion diced, about 1 pound to 2 pounds of hash browns. You can use frozen. I have fresh here. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll drop a link in the description for my other video on how to make fresh hash browns. Salt and pepper, 6 eggs, and half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now before we get started, we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna have our pan nice and hot over a medium heat. We're gonna go in with our bacon and our onions, and we're gonna cook this till the bacon is nice and crispy. Our bacon is just about crispy. Our onions have taken on a nice color. Now we're gonna go in with our hash browns. A little bit more. We're gonna season this with salt and pepper. We're gonna stir in the bacon and the onions. Once the bacon and the onions are mixed through, we're gonna cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally. This is gonna build a crust. This may look like a lot of potatoes, but it's going to cook down. Now we're gonna make a few little wells inside of our hash browns. We're gonna go 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go 1 in the center. We're gonna take our cheddar cheese and go on top. Sprinkle it around. Then we're gonna crack an egg into each one of those wells. And we're gonna place it into our 400-degree oven for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until the whites are set. Just make sure you're not getting any shelling. Oh, she looks perfect. Now the best way to serve this is just to throw it on the table. Make sure you cover the handle so that way the people know it's hot. Just let everybody dig in. To garnish, you can top it with some fresh chives or green onions. I'm gonna get myself a plate and we're gonna get a bite. I'm going dead center. I'm gonna pop this yolk so that way it runs down all the way through. Oh yeah, nice. Get a little bite of the yolk, cheese, the hash browns, the bacon, the onions. It's so good. You get a nice smokiness from the bacon, a richness from the yolk. The hash browns are perfectly crunchy. Cheesiness, not a cheesiness, I'm sorry, a creaminess from the cheese. This is really good. It makes a great breakfast. It's simple to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. You can check us out on Facebook at Homeheadchef. If you're interested in the outdoors like hunting and fishing and stuff like that, you can check out my other channel called the BackwoodzSquad. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.